Hey everyone! Lost or damaged your Fire TV remote? No worries, I've got the perfect solution. Today, we're checking out the replacement remote control for AMZ Fire Smart TVs and Stick, a simple and reliable way to get back to streaming your favorite content in no time. Let's dive in. Universal compatibility. This remote is specially designed to work with Insignia, Toshiba, and Pioneer Fire TVs. No extra setup needed. Just insert the batteries, and you're ready to go. One remote, multiple devices. It's that simple. Using infrared technology, the tested signal can be transmitted over a long distance of up to 40 feet, with a quick response of 0.2 seconds. Easy to use. Unlike complicated universal remotes, this replacement remote is pre-programmed and ready to use right out of the box. No codes, no syncing, just instant control over your TV. Please do not restore factory settings for your TV. Insert 2 AAA batteries to perfectly replace the original remote control. Voice control. This remote control adding voice function for easy navigation to your favorite content. You can simply press or ask with voice to find, launch and control content, even switch to cable TV. Quickly skip to your favorite apps with preset buttons. Dedicated streaming buttons. With one-touch streaming buttons, you can launch Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and Hulu instantly. No more endless searching. Your favorite shows are just one button away. After testing, the total number of clicks on all buttons exceeded 130,000 clicks. Ergonomic and durable design. The lightweight yet durable design ensures a comfortable grip and long-lasting performance. Built to withstand everyday use, this remote is perfect for families, kids, and anyone who loves entertainment. Long battery life. Powered by AAA batteries, this remote is designed for extended use. Thanks to its energy-efficient technology, you won't have to worry about frequent battery replacements. And that's the replacement remote for AMZ Fire Smart TVs and Stick. Easy setup, full compatibility, and all the controls you need. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.